There's a bird of prey standing up there. Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we have a twofer. Right over here. Oh my goodness. Looks like a kestrel with its meal. Over there is a red-tailed hawk. Scouting, looking for its next meal or where it'll go next. Incredible, really. This may be a Merlin actually, but still, there's a Merlin and a red-tailed hawk. Both in the same vicinity. That's incredible.
Miss, my father gave to me 4 puppies.
Yeah, that's most definitely a Merlin. It's a small bird has rather than a mammal. Now I got up from the snow pile because this is actually kind of... I actually forgot I lost my train of thought. Now getting on top of this snow pile, this is actually quite a bleak scene. The Merlin, which caught its prey, now has an audience of starlings behind it. All hoping that they're not the next victim. Really cool to see birds of prey so close to one another. Just minding their own business, doing their own thing. Look at the sheer power this Merlin has. It's sitting on top of the satellite and it's actually shaking it because it has to rip so strongly, pluck those feathers. Here, there's one. Oh my goodness.